Sana tadhalahe kunarahe sunaya tadhalahe udanariha namin. So it's fulfilled, preaching under the rain. As it is raining and I am under the rain. A pilgrimage where Father sent me. This is the pilgrimage. I am in the wilderness, from abroad to wilderness, as Father tests me if I can totally be on my own with a ghost that are with me. A body that can be seen if He wants to. Time to make all things beautiful. You know? I am in the wilderness, which is a pilgrimage, to see if I can totally be alone. You know, I leave everything I have, everything, all that, and I have to humble myself to show Father that I can do it. You know, humans, though I worry as I was the woman who ran away from Papa. You know, humans, I was the woman who ran away from Papa. And too, in this end, I'm the woman who ran away from the sixth angel. Reverse as it was. Women, the reason why Father tested me when I was at the wilderness, of those when I was JSUS, I am the Holy Ghost behind its body. Like I said in the other record, and many of my record, that I'm a woman who hid in a cane, you call body, until I receive until I receive a man's spirit. This is why I incarnate as two behind a man, so that I can keep reincarnating as a man until I receive a female's body. When I incarnate as female's body, I follow what was written, a rules of heavens, a rules of gods. A reason why He tests me after the 40 days when I've come down is for this end. For this end to see spiritually and through words, as I am a words, of who can see the test. The test is, you should not say no to anyone. No matter how you not know the person, never say no, because in the beginning, you knew them. You know? In the beginning, you knew them. It was the reason why He tested me at those times, and to become a test in this end, to see the test that given to my cold